Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks by Planet Technologies. My name is Logan Kurtin. I'm a learning strategist at Planet, and today we're going to talk a little bit about SharePoint and OneDrive, syncing your files and creating shortcuts, and what's the difference between the two. Let's jump right in and get started. So the first thing we'll do here is open up our SharePoint and our OneDrive from our Office portal. It can be accessed at portal.office.com. And with the sync feature, you can actually sync your Microsoft SharePoint files to a folder on your computer via the OneDrive client. So you can access these files directly from your File Explorer. And this allows you to work directly in there and access files even when you're offline. When you reconnect back online, all the changes you made will be synced and reflected anywhere else in Office 365. So the first thing I'll do is navigate to my SharePoint and pick a site that I use frequently and that I would benefit from having access to in my File Explorer so I can work offline. From there, I'll go to a document library. I'm going to select Sales East folder. And here I can see the sync button. So when you press this, what this will do is open up your OneDrive client, and it'll show you this path inside of your File Explorer. So I have my quick access, I have my OneDrive, my local, and here is Contoso, which is my demo environment. And these are the folders that I'm syncing into this path. So from here, I can access the resources in there, I can work on them, and I can see the status on whether or not they are synced or always available on this device. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, keep in mind that any changes you make to these resources will be reflected next time you're online and they sync. So be vigilant of deleting too many files. It will be deleted here as well as in the SharePoint library. Okay, let's move on to adding a shortcut from SharePoint. As I navigate to my SharePoint sites, I'll go to one that I use frequently, which is US Sales. I'll navigate to a document library, and I'll pick Sales East because I work in here frequently. Now you'll notice an icon pops up when you hover over this folder, and you have your share icon, you have your ellipses or your kebab, and then you have this folder with a chain link on it. That is a quick way to add this shortcut to OneDrive. You can also do that by hitting the three ellipses here, and you'll find Add Shortcut to OneDrive. So when I do this, now I can work inside of OneDrive, and you'll see Sales East, and it's indicated by that same icon of a chain link. So now if I'm working in OneDrive on my personal documents or I'm collaborating with people in OneDrive, I can actually access this resource from SharePoint very easily and just begin working as I would without having to navigate back and forth between the two applications. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tips and Tricks. I hope I saved you a couple clicks there between adding a shortcut from SharePoint and syncing your files directly down into your File Explorer. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out more videos on our YouTube channel. There's a lot of great stuff on there. And if I don't talk to you until then, have a great holiday. Thanks again for watching. Bye.